It takes a certain type of person to do what you do. Someone who knows the meaning of integrity, reliability, and work ethic. You didn't just learn this, it's how you're built. You're always looking to take it to the next level, and York is proud to offer programs that are built to work. It starts with the right tools, the kind of tools that make your business stand apart from the rest. From award-winning HVAC products with industry-leading factory-backed warranties and great financing options to hands-on training, York makes sure your whole team is equipped with the knowledge and skills needed to provide the very best service through ongoing training opportunities with industry experts in all of our state-of-the-art training facilities. That training extends into customer support, giving your team the skills they need to give homeowners excellent service. The very best contractors look to York to help build and grow their business because we've laid it all on the line to make our partnerships built to work. Visit york.com/become a contractor.